Alrighty, here it is. Well, let's make it a surprise. But if you read the title of this, I'm sure it's not going to be much of a surprise. Ooh. Larry Hama and Zap trading card that got bent. Well, I'll have to straighten that out. G.I. Joe trading card set. G.I. Joe pen. This is, I believe, the double-sided bookmark. Shiny stickers. G.I. Joe patch. These are the art prints. Let's see here. I'm expecting that these are going to be... Phone's getting set in a moment. Enjoy your black screen. I would sing, but nobody really wants that. This is the G.I. Joe reprint of number 21. This is the yearbook number 1 reprint. And this is G.I. Joe special number 1 reprint. Okay, so down to a blank screen once again. Cut open this box. Top box open. This is what we see. I'm going to rotate this box. I know this is lovely YouTubing because I'm sitting on the phone and you can't see really what's going on. I don't have a good stand, unfortunately, for the rest of this. Okay. You can kind of see it in there. So here it is. The G.I. Joe Real American Hero Compendium. This is 4 volumes of all of the Marvel run of G.I. Joe, including special missions and all the extras. So, consider this to be one of the greatest comic series of all times. The run is kind of amazing. What could have been just a toy line, cash in, ran 150 issues. It's actually still running today at its 3rd publisher. And well, not every issue is a winner. There are classics, including the silent issue, which there's the reprint. You know, the silent issue is so great that there is a... Do I have it handy here? Let's see if I have it handy here. Oh, I don't have it handy here. But there is a standalone 1-issue reprint, like hardcover, of just issue number 21. And then there's a Best of Larry Hama hardcover that I have right here. It's got issues 21, 24, 26, 34. Yeah, just, I mean, that's how good this series is that inspired that. And if we walk over here, I mean, these are like the reprints of, you know, the compendiums for things that have come out here is that issue 21 hardcover. That's got like Hama's original breakdowns and stuff in the back. If you've never read this issue, this is one of the great issues of comics. And because I'm talking about that being one of the great issues of comics. And yes, I did pay $6 for this at Comic Book World in Kentucky. Don't sleep on issue 22, which a lot of people do. It's a killer issue. It's got a silent section. It's got 3 competing funerals. It's got the introduction of Duke and Roadblock, and it's got like 1 or 2 pages that are just like comic relief that are note perfect. So anyways, back to this massive box set. Set the phone down once again. Plastic open some more. These are the volumes. Wow. These things are big. These things are definitely gonna sit on a pillow or something when I read them. Oh, you hear that? Let's just look at that, those pages and that art. This is like the era of the book that I've yet to read. I've probably read the first 50 issues and then a couple of issues here and there from the next 25-ish. But I don't think I've ever sat down to read the end of the series. To that end, I do plan to read these. My goal is to try to read, 7, 8, 10 issues a week, maybe 2 a night. I've got a couple of other big compendiums that I'm working my way through, but once I am through with Godzilla Omnibus Marvel Years Volume 1 and a JLA DC Finest that I need to get back to our library, this will be my it's time to read 2 issues, maybe more. Yeah, I'm really excited to dig into this. So just thought I'd share.